All right, here's the deal. There has never been a better time to make money online. Why? Because the tools you need to make your first $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 are literally at your fingertips. And one of the most powerful tools to help you do just that is Go High Level. This platform makes setting up profitable online services easier than ever. Today I'm breaking down the top 4 most profitable ways to make money online using Go High Level. We're covering everything you need to know: startup costs, potential earnings, demand for the service, how to fulfill, and what kind of deal structure works best. First up, starting a white-labeled SaaS agency. Imagine this: you take Go High Level software, brand it as your own, and sell it to businesses. No need to develop complicated software from scratch. Businesses are already spending thousands each month on software that doesn't even integrate well. So here's your golden opportunity to sell a single, streamlined solution that replaces all their clunky tools. Starting a SaaS agency can cost between $300 to $500 for Go High Level's SaaS plan. But trust me, it's worth it. This plan has all the tools businesses need to get organized and scale. Demand for this kind of service? High, because business owners are tired of juggling multiple tools and are looking for an all-in-one solution. And while initial setup can take some time, with processes in place, onboarding clients becomes a breeze. The best part? Once you make a sale, the recurring revenue keeps rolling in month after month. Next, building websites for businesses. This might sound basic, but there's serious cash here. With Go High Level's built-in website builder and over 1,000 templates, creating a custom website is faster and easier than ever. With the $97 per month plan, you're good to start. However, the $500 SaaS plan gives you more features, making setup easier and more efficient. Businesses know they need a solid online presence, and many don't have a quality website or any website at all. You can charge $1,000 per site, plus a monthly hosting fee. Finding clients? Easy. Just check out local businesses on Google Maps to see who's lacking a professional site. With demand for websites always high and Go High Level's templates ready to go, you'll have an efficient, profitable process set up in no time. Third, becoming a GHL affiliate. Wondering what being a Go High Level affiliate involves? It's simple. You promote Go High Level's software. Every time someone signs up through your affiliate link, you get paid. No products to manage, no services to fulfill. Just spread the word and earn commissions. Getting started as an affiliate only requires the $97 plan, and you can earn between $130 to $200 per sale. With high demand for all-in-one software solutions, this is a great option if you're skilled at digital marketing. And because these commissions are recurring, each referral has the potential to provide long-term income. If promoting software and creating content is your thing, this business model is ideal. And hey, speaking of affiliate links, check out the description below for my link to a 30-day free trial with Go High Level. If you sign up directly, you'll only get 14 days, so you're welcome for the extra 2 weeks to try it out risk-free. Finally, offering SMS marketing services. SMS marketing is highly effective because, let's face it, everyone checks their texts. With Go High Level, you can set up campaigns for clients like restaurants or dealerships to keep customers engaged with timely updates and promotions. The starting cost for SMS services ranges from $297 to $500, but the SaaS rebilling feature allows you to profit from every text your clients send. This model is profitable for both small and large-scale campaigns, with pricing options between $97 and $197 per month. This service is scalable and in demand. Plus, it's straightforward to set up with Go High Level's tools, allowing you to create, manage, and track campaigns all in one place. This service's recurring nature means consistent revenue from clients looking to maintain engagement with their customers. So there you have it, the top ways to make money online with Go High Level. Whether it's setting up a white-labeled SaaS agency, building websites, becoming an affiliate, or managing SMS campaigns, Go High Level gives you all the tools you need to succeed. Let me know in the comments which method you'd start, or if you're already using one of these. And hey, if you want more videos like this, covering Go High Level's powerful features, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.